Imagine a civilian airplane, the kind you'd take on vacation. But instead of carrying tourists, it's secretly a super-powered spy machine, capable of outsmarting even the most cunning enemy. This isn't a scene from a James Bond movie. It's a reality thanks to Northrop Grumman's Deep Sensing and Targeting (DSaT) system. The DSaT system is basically the Swiss Army knife of spy planes. It can gather intelligence from satellites, drones, and other sneaky sources, process it all in real time, and then deliver it to the troops so they can make informed decisions. Think of it as a flying data center. But way cooler. Northrop Grumman recently showed off this spy plane extraordinaire at the Vanguard 24, an annual event where the Army tests out its latest and greatest gadgets. It was like a tech convention for spies, and DSaT was the star of the show. So, how does it work? Well, it's a bit complicated, but let's try to keep it simple. Imagine DSaT as a super smart detective. It collects clues from all over the place, analyzes them, and then figures out the bad guy's next move. But instead of chasing criminals on foot, DSaT does it from the sky. And it's way more stylish. One of the coolest things about DSaT is that it can process information really fast. In the world of espionage, every second counts. So, when the bad guys make a move, DSaT can figure out their plan and alert the good guys in a flash. It's like having a super fast internet connection for spies. But why use a civilian plane? Well, it's all about blending in. If you're trying to spy on someone, you don't want them to know you're there. A civilian plane is the perfect disguise. It's like wearing a hat and sunglasses when you're trying to be incognito. So, next time you're on a plane, keep in mind that it might be more than just a flying metal tube. It could be a high-tech spy machine, protecting our freedom one flight at a time. And if you see a particularly suspicious-looking passenger, don't worry, they're probably just a spy. Or maybe they're just really bad at packing. Who knows? Thanks for watching.